Radio, hello folks, we're out and about again. We are in, let me turn this round because I can't pronounce it. That's where we are.
And it's in Bergen.
Bergen, there we go.
Okay.
We're in a little aire, or Selsflats, or whatever they are pronounced here. We're parked over there, there's a couple of other people. And
this is the facility.
Yeah, so it's €1 for water, €1 for electricity, and I don't think you pay anything for.
I'm not sure.
No, I think it's just a wash. Put your mucky water down there, and that's it.
And it's not drinking water.
No, that's it. You just press the button.
We're not sure what that is.
Well, it's a big bang. Yeah, so what you do is you put your pennies in there and you put it onto the pitch you're on, which we're 7, and that's what happens. We'll see.
It's worked so far.
Yeah, so far so good. Right, what we'll do is we'll have a little walk into town. We'll explain. Well, they've even got rubbish here things. What happens is you take one of these, which is an envelope, and there's a few, and you put €10 in there, and you deliver it to the address on the front, which is just up the road. So
literally 2 minutes walk.
So yeah, this is Stellplatz listed information. It's opposite the Hotel Schultz. So
and it's actually in the village of Bergen.
Yeah.
And Bergen-Belsen is just down the road.
Yeah, which is where we're going tomorrow. Yeah. So it is probably owned. Oh, presumably that's the car parking for Hotel Schultz.
Well, it says it's pointing over there, so I don't know.
I bet it's that bit there.
I would think it probably
Yeah. Here's the boys. Not staggering then.
You're filming yourself now, huh?
Hey? Right. Sorry. They were 2 guys that are on the campsite, and they are, one of them cycling from, I don't know whether you worked it out, cycling from Norway to Spain. Bonkers is the word we're looking for.
He's taken a month to do it, and his friend's just meeting him.
Yeah, he's meeting him en route.
Yeah, so they've got a motorhome, they stop in at night, and then the one cycles to a destination and they meet there. So,
well, good to look to him, I say.
He's doing it for a dementia charity.
Yeah, and we've got the information, so we'll put a link in the thing below.
Yeah, so if anybody wants to have a look or contribute, then
you're more than welcome. And I'm sure they'll appreciate every little bit.
Yeah.
Right, let's turn you around and show you where we're going.
Yeah, it's getting quite dark
now. It is. But it's not bad. It's been really warm today, hasn't it?
It's been really hot today.
Yeah, I mean...
We've had aircon on today.
Yeah. I mean, normally this last week we've had hot water bottles and all sorts, haven't we, at night?
Yeah, a week ago we had extra blanket on the bed and hot water bottles and left the heating on very low. And now we're just sweltering.
Yeah. So the guys were saying they went into town for something to eat and a beer or 2, and they said it's dead.
Which is fine. We thought it would be. It's only a tiny weeny village town.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Oh, that was a bat.
I thought it was.
Yeah.
It's that time of night.
It is that time of night.
And there's a lot of bugs about.
There is, yeah. We have smidged up, haven't we?
Because Dave's been bitten quite a lot and I've been bitten a little bit.
I've been bitten. They've had right chunks out of me. I've got lumps on my head. lumps all over my arms.
But not as bad as the woman in the next boat road.
Oh no, she's absolute. Her legs look like she's got German measles, don't they? Doesn't
Yes,
she?
and she's quite an elderly one.
She is, yeah, on her own.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just walk down to the end of the road and just have a quick whiz round and call it a night, I think.
Village square type things.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah. So this is Bergen. It's not looking properties over there, is it? It's quite a big place.
I don't know what it is.
No, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's big. It'd make a lovely house for that barn.
Yes.
Wouldn't it?
Barn would be the workshop.
It would be the workshop, yes.
Anyway, if you do stay at the campsite, just down here is where you need to bring your €10 to.
I don't think the boys down there are going to do it, but they said they're going to drop it off in the morning.
Yeah, I'm sure they will.
Of course they will.
But we've put ours in an envelope.
As it said,
Yeah, in the post box.
I'll show you where it is.
Is it the council?
Yes, council building.
Or you can leave it at the tourist information, which is round the back apparently, but there was no letterbox for that, so
No.
we've done this one.
It's quite funny because we were trying to find where to park it, to put the envelope, and we walked around the corner and there's a British telephone box. Like, what? Can't believe that. Anyway, there's two ladies rifling through all the books.
Because it's a book depository.
Yeah, like there are in a lot of England.
That's where we've put our envelope.
Yeah, in there, look. So, in there, and that's where you need to put it. This building here. So, anyway.
We could go in the corner and find something.
So, we wandered round here, and we're like, well, where is it? And it says, oh, tourist information. And lo and behold, there's a British telephone box. And we're like, what? And it is a proper old one, because it's got the little edges to it rather than the newer style one.
Well, it's in very good condition.
It is very good condition. And we got talking to them, and they said, oh yeah. The British forces left it here, and they didn't want to see it chucked away, so it was put in here. And
still got all the original glass.
And it's now
and the heavy door.
Yeah, proper heavy door, and it's
actually,
now a library.
It smells like the old telephone box.
Does it?
Yes.
What, of urine?
Yeah, urine, smoke.
Yeah, it does.
No, it's a like a smoky smell, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
I'll say a smoky smell.
Yeah, there was always real gits, weren't they? Yeah. So, yeah, things you find when you
It
wander.
turns out that they were rifling through the books because their mother had donated some books and put them there, not realising there were photos and names and addresses and everything inside the books. So they were trying to retrieve them, to take out all the personal information and the photos that she put in there, not realising.
Yeah, Mother's Day. Pardon? It is, isn't it? I think we'll just have a walk over there.
Yeah, okay.
And then we'll call it quits for today.
Yeah.
Hey, it is pretty much deader than
There is a town about 20 kilometres down the road called Celle, which is Celle.
yeah.
And that is supposed to be really nice. We've driven through it but didn't really have a look because we were a bit late coming in.
Yeah. No, we didn't have time.
Memorial?
It is, yeah.
Probably war memorial.
Yeah, probably.
Yes.
You'll have to excuse it's getting really quite dark now.
Yes.
I'm quite impressed that it's actually still working.
Yeah.
It's like the church there, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah,
First World War.
First World War. Yeah. So there you go. Anyway, It looks quite nice. It's just a shame that there's nothing happening.
But this is one for the Second World War.
Probably.
Although I think it's
1820. So no.
no, it's not. It's
No.
the German.
Oh look! If you want to have a go at
Oh,
chess,
giant chess.
giant chess pieces.
Yeah, and there's a chessboard.
Yeah.
And this will be for
Whatever.
fancy. I don't know.
Probably. Who knows? So it is, yeah. Cafe and museum. So anyway, I think that will do for us for today, won't it?
Yes.
So
Oh,
if I put those,
water. There's a fountain. Oh, it's a fountain there.
all right. Do you want to have a look?
Yes. Well, not a fountain, they're waterfall.
Waterfall.
Sort of. Well, a bit both.
Okay.
Yeah, the dog.
All right.
Yeah, we're getting dogs.
Yeah. So yeah, all very nice, isn't
That,
it?
that church is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
So
All lit up,
we
yeah.
want to.
Yeah. We'll do that way round.
Yep. So that's us for tonight. We're off
Oh,
back
let's-
to
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Yeah. Thanks very much for watching.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, and we're Bergen-Belsen tomorrow. So
A bit more somber.
yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, thanks for watching. Say night, Sue.
Night, Sue.
Bye.
Bye.